Welcome guys back to the vlog, another trip. Right now we're in Kingston still, waiting at the gas station to pick up Judah from work because she don't work at gas station. She just want to stop off right here. What I'm gonna do is to go to Montego Bay. That's where we're going today. Well, yeah, we're going here today. Right now it's like 10:55 p.m. in the night. It's a late trip. So yeah, that's the pre right now. Going to look at my grandmother, of course. No, she not feel too well and stuff, so I'm going to go look for her and then show you guys somewhere in my bay as always. So if you don't see any more clips until you reach, you don't know what's because we're tired and we just drive and make it through. But if you see it, you know what the deal is. And here comes Miss Judah. She's here. And we're about to do this what?
Road trip.
Hell yeah. Of course, we'll make a quick fuel stop and fuel stop over there, so check in. Bae's taking over, she co-piloting it tonight. What's up, baby? It's raining, guys. We just reached Ochi still. I drove to Ochi and I know she's taking it. Guys, we reached my yard. We're happy. Come on! It's in the corner. Oh God. Guys, that's it. Make up a couple times when I can't think so I did not get it.
You know? You like it? Him wake up couple times while let him sleep. As I take over the driving, him pull back in trying to sleep and as I fight him sleep while he's driving,
Because I'm tired.
So I'm not tired.
I'm tired, isn't it? Guys, couple times today. Guys, we're about to go to bed. Judah try to wrap her dry. I was grandma that said, shut up about. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go to bed. So we're gonna catch you guys in the morning and continue the vlog there. So guys, it's our morning after. Not like morning after pilling up, but morning after. Understand? Show her face, so show your face to princess. Princess. No, you look cute. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Anyway, so we yeah, we're about to eat some from grandmother make breadfruit and liver and liver. But Judah not eat liver. But I said she couldn't survive with me with the post-apocalypse. You see me? How should I survive? We can't eat about everything, you know. But Judah not going to say, listen, I don't want the wig. I want the tie. So grandma made up some roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
Modern style. And some liver. Alright guys, I think the last time I came here, that was the Dream Weekend vlog. Heading to Dream Weekend, I did stop by and look for my grandmother and my mother, they call him planting. Not planting, banana. Some say them I grew up, you know. Yo, I like that kind of lifestyle, you know, you see me? Like you can grow your own plant banana, you see me? Just grow them and thing. And just do your thing, yo. Guys, at one point, you know, seriously on this vlog something, I work towards it because one day, you guys are going to see Soai vlogs. Guarantee you, I go own a farm. Understand? Because me personally, we don't tell you this already still. I like half and half in our life, isn't me? City life, country life, you understand? Because nothing better than country life, you know, in terms of the real food, you understand? Because even I'm here right now, of course, I'm naturally going to feel a little bit better because I'm close to home. Of course, I'm going to feel that reminiscence of, you know, being somewhere that I used to live. But the other part is that it quieter down here. It just it's a whole lot less tension, you understand? So I really like that. But anyway, see them have some peppers here. That'll grow really nice. I'll go carry up some. The Jamaican famous Scotch bonnet pepper right there. I have a coloured one somewhere over there. So some of them when they get ripe, them become yellow or red. And when you eat these things from your yard or your garden that don't have the whole heap of pesticides and all that stuff, there's a natural, I don't know if it's a psychological thing, but the flavor is just different. But everybody says it still, so I don't think it can be really psychological. It must be fact. This seems like a pineapple. And them have pumpkin. But one day Soai vlogs, you know. Definitely not going to see it because Soai vlogs is all about nature, you understand? Love nature and adaptation. Some of the Judah I take lime. You know how long I don't really say how good when you make fresh lemonade, you know, man. Not with this because this one is not ready. Show you up, babe. Those ones there ready, nice and fresh. Trust me. And this tree is so laden with limes. There are just so many limes actually. It's just not ripe yet. Channel. So breakfast ready. Have some what is special babe? Liver? Liver. Roast breadfruit. Judah had enough so I'll go fry it. She have tea. And she have coffee. You can't make it more rat.
Bye.
Guys, every time I have a plate, she always a coming on the plate like she, why? She always a she try to pick out something to my plate, we don't know what. Turn on the camera, she turn fool and all, watch her. You see them? Judah, we don't see half your face, probably we can't make a serious sight. Guys, the roast, what is fried breadfruit? Here the snap.
The fried breadfruit he didn't want.
I never say I never want it.
Just pop it in the like. Stop no number.
I want to see you eat the breadfruit.
So I'm sure.
You guys know something they want to see the breadfruit get eaten, but that's how you go. Hear me now. Guys, what do you know about fine dining? Breadfruit a la crisp, a liver biscuit.
I'm from a green there, so I'll meet Stephen the guy school with me now, come up on the veranda, I do chew the window, they can't chew.
Till we reach home.
So till we reach out the gate. Lord Jesus.
Remember it, man.
And when me did it, I can't see Stephen they come. Me say me can't, me say look out and look when me can't see Stephen, me have to take road.
Walk, we see the man coming. Yeah, man. A good something, them. We can't forget them time, man.
Sometimes they say Jesus and God are going to Angie right up in the bed and does and I say Angie. I say Angie now you can't go look at Stephen. And you must come on. Don't you want to do that and not ask when you must come on. I said Jesus Christ.
Grandma Fred, this is ever come here. I mean, when I forget the Sunday grandma, man, especially when we used to go down to Mr. Benetton. Go down to Mr. Benetton and trusty food. Fried chicken and rice and we share food and eat. And the while them sending money and pay it off. We can't forget the struggles, man. The struggles are real, man.
When the man don't, I just say, when Steve and that man walk, and they work, every Friday night Stephen come home.
And wash out my dirty socks there with the clay.
Jesus Christ, me as Stephen comes from me run
back and wash the clothes, yeah man.
Saturday morning as they clean, make it up and finish it.
Yeah.
The socks them, the white socks them, and Angie come and they
but they're dirty.
When me take you by that woman pat when leave side of it.
Yeah.
When me take you soap them up with the cake soap and put in the paint pan and sinting and put it and when they wash. When Pat said to me, say, Mr. C, and them the socks them out. So me say, is Pat say you too lie, I know them.
Oh, they're white.
Me say, are the same socks them.
I really something bring them back, man.
Saturday morning,
Sunday morning, ready again.
And Saturday night, they hire no clothes, so you get your Sunday morning come so. Me gone a stove, me.
No lie,